Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fire TV and set up parental controls, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by turning on your Fire TV device. Wait for the home screen to load completely. Navigate to the settings option in the top menu. Select My Account from the settings menu. Choose Register to start the registration process. Enter your Amazon account email address. Type in your Amazon account password. Select Sign In to access your account. Once registered, go back to the Settings menu. Scroll down and select Preferences. Find the Parental Controls option within Preferences. Select Parental Controls to enable the feature. You will be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN. Enter your desired 4-digit PIN and confirm it. Once confirmed, the parental controls will be activated. Choose the content restrictions you want to apply. You can restrict movies, TV shows, and apps based on age ratings. Navigate back to the home screen after setting up restrictions. Your Fire TV is now registered and parental controls are set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.